I'm going to go over a couple of my mods. I'm probably going to mention some of the ones I've already talked about. But anyway, I'm going to go over my mods. This is a harness that I made to hang my kayaks from. If you look. So I can set my kayak any height I want. I can roll it over, work on the side, work on the back. But that's another whole other project. My previous video was on the mods that I did for the pedal drive. Go to Dollar Tree. Well, it's $1.25 tree now, but get you some of these dog leashes. You know, for the price of one kayak gear or whatever they're called, leashes, you can get 8 or 9 of these. On the end of this, I've got my Boca grips and my little hook outs. I've also got one of those trays that you put in your office desk for under the seat, because if you weigh more than 200 pounds in a Hoodoo Tempest 120 or a Brooklyn Kayaks PK12, if you weigh more than 200 pounds, this thing says it's got a 400 and something pound capacity, which is BS. If you weigh more than 200 pounds, you're going to get water through the scuppers. I sit in here and the water comes right up to here. And as soon as I start pedaling, I've got a 1/4 inch of water all over the floor. So I can't set anything on the floor in here. As far as life jackets go, you've got your traditional life jackets like that. But I go and buy me, I order snorkel vest. It's a simple vest. It goes around your neck. It's high visibility. It's got a little strap that goes around your crotch and another one that goes around your waist. And they're like 20 bucks. I mean, if you want to buy one of those $200 ones that fits around your neck so you can show off to your buddies about how you like to spend stupid money, go for it. Scupper plugs. I like to attach my scupper plugs with a little string. These are not attached yet. Hey, I'm missing one. It's in here somewhere. Let's see, what else? I added eye bolts here on my gear tracks. These are stainless steel eye bolts. What else? My steering. I did my own steering. I did not like the idea of having a rudder under the kayak, under here. The rudder would go here, and you can't drag your kayak because then you're going to break the rudder. You can't go backwards because the rudder's going to hit stuff. I mean, it'll hit them on this one too, but at least this one I can raise it. Another thing too is they made this hole too close, so when you put the rudder in here, in the original hole, it only steers to about here and here. When you look at mine, it steers way out here now because I extended the rudder. I also took off the stupid little paracord strings that they had on here, and I put stainless steel cable. Like I said before, I designed and built my own rudder steering system. And that's pretty much it that I can think of. If I think of any more mods, or if I make any more mods, I'll let you know. I did extend my rudder system. I'm going to heat this and lower it because I don't like the angle of my rudder. I want it to be a little more at a 90-degree angle. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.